I trash picked this mower a couple weeks ago, and it had one of those crappy Pulsa Prime plastic carburetors on there. Could not get this thing to work. Even put a brand new diaphragm in it that I had and could not get it to suck fuel out of the tank. So I decided to run it on propane. So I took a torch head here and I drilled it out, because originally these have a really tiny hole in them, so you get high pressure, low volume. So I drilled it out so it gives it a lot more volume now. And I use one of the rosebud tips because it's got the air holes in it. So that mixes the air and the fuel. And then I've just got a piece of hose going to the intake. Not sure what this was originally, I guess it's rubber. But this was on a PCV hose. So, not sure exactly what it is, but it works. So, we're going to use an International flatbed air filter as a camera stand.